In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to give your students seat access to Construct 3. To begin, you're going to go to the Construct 3 website and log into your teacher account. To do so, just click on the Login to Account link under the Register button on the home page. Now, use your username and password to log in. Once you're logged into your teacher account, you're going to hover over the account icon in the upper right-hand corner and click on Your Subscriptions under the Store section of the dropdown. Here you'll see your active subscriptions and expired subscriptions if you have them to Construct 3. Go ahead and click on the View Edit button for your active subscription. If for some reason you don't have an active subscription, please reach out to our customer service team and we'll get you set up. So go ahead and click on the View Edit link on the active subscription. Now you're just going to scroll down to the Manage Your License section and click on the Manage Your Licenses link. Here you'll be able to see all the seats that you have available for your account. You would have requested this number of seats when you originally got set up with Construct 3. You can always add and request and let us know if you need more seats, but you'll see that list here. So for this account, I have 3 total seats. One is used by myself, and this is essentially my teacher account, and then I have 2 open seats that I can assign to a user. So at this point you're going to have your students create their own account on Construct 3, and then they're going to share their username with you for this next step. So for whatever open seat that you have on your plan, you're going to click the Edit link. Now it's as simple as typing in the username that you want to give that seat access to. So we're going to go ahead and do that. After you click that Go button, you'll see that the license has been assigned. You can also revoke the license at any point. So we're just going to go back to our subscriptions page, view and edit our active subscription, and manage our license to take a look. So you can see that we've added that subscription. Like I said, at any point if you want to take or revoke that subscription to give it to another student, maybe it's at the end of the semester or school year, or that student leaves your class, you can simply click Edit on that user seat and click the Revoke button, and that's just going to take away that seat so that it opens it up for another student to be added to your subscription plan. Be sure to check out our other tutorials on how to use the access code method with Construct 3 to give your students access to the software.